How to change your phone number in your Google Business profile. You'd want to start off by going to Google and just searching my business. Once here, you should see this come up. I already have a business. For example, here it's an example store. It's not publicly visible either. Once here, just press View Profile. Here you'll go up to your business dashboard. You can edit the info, but as you can see here, here's your phone number. I've blurred mine out because that's my actual phone number, and that will be trouble if that comes out. Anyways, once here, just press Edit Info. And once you're on this tab right here, press Contact, and you should see your phone number right here. Press this pencil icon and just change it to whichever number you'd want. I'll just change it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a fake phone number, obviously, but that's how you change your phone number in your Google Business profile. You can also change some other thing like location, hours, more. There's a lot. But anyways, that is how you change your phone number in your Google Business profile. It's as easy as that.